Next, let's talk about the grains that we eat. When we think of grains, it's usually things like breakfast cereal, pasta, rice, breads. These are very important parts of our diet because they give us most of the carbohydrates we eat along with our fruits and vegetables. The carbohydrates are giving us energy to be able to do all the things we want to accomplish each day. Plus, grains are a great way to get fiber. And fiber is dearly missing in the American diet. Most of us aren't getting enough. And we should be eating about 5 to 6 servings of grain products a day. And if you look at your packages, you'll see what's a serving of those foods. But we should try to make at least half of those servings whole grains. And when I say that, I'm looking for things that have at least 3 grams of fiber per serving. So with your cereals, please use some of those house brands, but I want you to look at the dietary fiber that's on that food label. It's under total carbohydrates. Look for 3 grams or more of fiber. Once you figure out, okay, good, this has a lot of fiber in it, let's look at the sugar. This one has added sugar of 6 grams. That's okay. That's my wonderful limit for the sugar that's in cereals. So this is the perfect example of a great cereal. But let's say your family won't eat that if you try to give it to them. So what I would suggest you do is maybe give them a half a bowl of this and then give them a half a bowl of whatever it is that they usually like. And over time, give them more bran flakes and they'll get used to eating mostly bran flakes eventually. And they won't be eating all those sugary cereals that really don't help our health at all. One very economical thing is oatmeal. So if you buy the store brand of rolled oats, you can cook them very quickly. They're very low sugar, sometimes no sugar at all, and then they're usually a very good source of fiber as well. They are super economical, and so you can get many, many servings out of one of those containers. Notice too that this particular cereal was only $2.29. That's about half the cost of a regular name brand for bran flakes. So check your grocery store and see which one they have and what it looks like nutrition-wise. Now also too, along those lines, once we've done breakfast, maybe you have toast with your eggs for breakfast. I really want you to apply the same guideline for the fiber in your bread. Look for breads that give you 3 grams of fiber per serving. And usually that's 1 or 2 slices of bread, depending on how thin the slices are. But many of the store brands, and this one is from Harris Teeter, but Food Lion has one as well, are just that. They're very good sources of fiber. So this goes a really long way to helping us meet our goals. Now, in case you're wondering, how much fiber do I need for the day? For most women, it runs anywhere from 21 to 25 grams of fiber a day. For men, it's usually somewhere between 25 and up to 38 grams a day. So you can see there's a wide range of how much fiber we need. But it really goes a long way, just making sure our cereals and our breads have some fiber in them. If you like pasta like I do, you can definitely enjoy a little more fiber in your pasta too. The Barilla brand is a very good one for fiber, and it's just a regular type of pasta. So if your family won't eat even higher fiber type of pasta like a whole wheat spaghetti or pasta, then use the Barilla brand for better fiber. And when you're picking rice, rice is very economical. So you will have many, many servings of rice from this bag of whole grain brown rice. It's under $1. So this is a great buy. It may take a little longer to cook than your white rice, but it gives you a really nice nutty and chewy flavor. Do what I did with my family. I'm the sneaky mom here. So I mixed white rice with brown rice for a while after I cooked both of them. And then eventually everybody got used to the brown rice. So it's something you can do. And if you'd like to try something new, a very inexpensive whole grain is barley. And there's some very nice recipes on the back. And in our Healthy Cooking Club for Levine Cancer Institute, we have many barley recipes too. But this whole box was only $2.29. So this is something nice you could try as well. Let me mention one wonderful thing to snack on, and that is popcorn. But I'm not talking about the popcorns that you're going to find in the bags at the grocery store. Most of those have a lot of added fat and salt. And even the ones that say they're skinny really aren't that skinny at all. So next time you're shopping, look for a bag of popcorn in the kernels and then bring it home And if you cook up just 3 tablespoons of those little kernels, it's going to make 7.5 cups of popcorn. And there are good directions right on the packet. So it's a really cheap, inexpensive snack that's filled with fiber, and you'll even get some of those great phytochemicals.